Hi guys, welcome back to Laila's Home Cooking and Spices. On this episode I want to show you on someone's request how to make, which some of the world call it dal gosht, some of the world call it dal garam, et l'avion, or I'm gonna say in English, which is chana dal with meat curry. However you pronounce it, let's go for the ingredients. Okay, so I'm gonna use some mix meat with bone, and some of them are just meat, and then salt and pepper. I'm gonna use Laila's curry powder, which is this, Laila's garam masala. I have that much of ginger and few cloves of garlic here. This is 2 large onion, which I have chopped them roughly, and then some fresh chopped cilantro. This is chana dal, some water, and I'm using a pressure cooker. First I'm just gonna put the meat here to boil. You can use a regular pot if you don't have a pressure cooker, but I just want to go ahead and just boil the meat first, not for too long, because pressure cooker, you know, everything will cook very quick. So put that in here, and then some water, not too much water because the beef gonna leave some water. And then I'm gonna turn my oven on, just close it, and then in the meantime I'm gonna go ahead and make a paste with my onion, ginger and garlic, and then we'll move forward. So I just opened my pressure cooker, and this is how my meat looks like. It's not completely cooked yet. And here I have a big pot that is heating. I'm gonna add my oil. I'm using sunflower oil. You can use any cooking oil. So since this is a curry, I'm gonna add a little bit extra oil. Now I'm just gonna drain this meat and drop it in my pan. Alright, so all my meat is in the pot. I'm gonna add salt to taste. I'm gonna add salt even later because I like to season all my every layer of the dish. Add pepper. Lots of pepper because it's meat. Alright, give this a mix. Now this is the paste that I made earlier with onion, ginger and garlic. Add this. Now the reason why I'm adding the paste first, if I'm gonna add my curry powder first, then it may burn with the oil. So turn the heat a little bit high. Alright. Check the link below for full written recipe. So it's done. Now Laila's curry powder has enough turmeric, so I don't think you need any if you're using Laila's curry powder, but if you think your curry powder that you're using has less turmeric, then you're gonna add turmeric along with your curry powder. Now it's time to add the chana dal. I'll give this a mix. Let this cook a little bit, and then I'm gonna add a little bit of water. So give this for now, give this like about 5 minutes. So my meat was cooking for 45 minutes, even though I had it on pressure cooker. But I had the flame on low so the meat can cook properly, because I personally want my meat to cook like 100%. And it's time to dig into it. Okay, now let's add some fresh cilantro. That's enough. A little bit of garam masala, Laila's garam masala. Not much, just a little bit. Give this a good mix. Come close. Check this. Everything looks perfect. I'm gonna turn this heat off, and you can see all we need here is the gravy in this dal gosht. You can serve this with rice, either roti, chapati, puri, even naan. You can serve this as the way you want it. And right now, I'm just gonna go ahead. I have some plain rice. I just wanna show you how tender is this meat. Okay. Now, if you want, you can add a squash to it. I do sometime. I just didn't add it today. So this is the dal gosht or Channa Dholl meat curry. Now this is really hot. I just want to give it a try. I know now I'm gonna burn my tongue. You see the meat? Like I said, I had the meat with bone and lean as well. And I did cut the meat into big chunk. If you cut that into small pieces, then it obviously is gonna cook quicker. See, I can just cut the meat in just 1 spoon. But I know it's really hot. I just want to give this a try. I'm gonna burn my tongue. The meat is so tender, and the spiciness in the curry powder was perfect for me, and it was just amazing, incredibly tasty. Go to your kitchen and try this, and let me know how you like it. If you did like this video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments below what you want to see next in another episode. And I hope you have enjoyed the time with me today, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.